In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to comment in Microsoft Loop. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to leave clear feedback that your teammates can act on. First, open your browser and head to the official Microsoft Loop page. This is the home for Loop in Microsoft 365, and it's the best starting point whether you're brand new or returning. On that page, look for the button that says Get Started with Loop and click it. That takes you into the Loop experience. Depending on your setup, you might see a brief loading screen or be asked to choose a work or school account. That's normal. Once you're in, you'll land on the Loop home. To quickly find something you've been working on recently, choose the Recent Work area. This view brings your latest pages and components to the top so you don't have to dig through folders. Open the page or component where you want to leave feedback so you're looking right at the content you need to comment on. Now, here's the key to commenting in Loop. Move your pointer toward the left edge of the text you want to discuss. You'll see a 6-dot handle appear next to that block of text. That handle is how Loop knows which block you're targeting. If it doesn't show up right away, gently hover near the left margin or adjust your zoom until it appears. Click the 6 dots to reveal the context options for that block. From the options that appear, choose Comment. This opens a comment box associated with that exact piece of content, so your feedback stays anchored in the right place. It also means teammates can reply in a thread, keeping the discussion tidy and easy to follow. Type your comment in the box. Keep it specific and actionable so others know what to do next. You can @mention teammates to direct the comment to the right person and add clarity by referring to the exact sentence or idea you mean. If you're sharing a suggestion, note why you're proposing it so there's context for your recommendation. Comments are tied to the selected block, which makes it simple to resolve conversations later without losing the history of the discussion. That's all there is to it. Open Loop, click Get Started, head to Recent Work, use the 6-dot handle on the block you care about, click Comment, and type your message. With that flow, you'll give precise feedback right where it matters. Thanks for watching, and happy collaborating in Microsoft Loop.